Hello my dear students, I hope you all are well and preparing for your semester examination. I Jyoti Singh, I welcome you all on my YouTube channel. Today we will do revision of two chapters, chapter numbers up to 1000 and chapter shapes. But before that, I want to give you some instructions regarding semester examination. Number 1, you can take out the printout of question paper, then you can write answer in it. Number 2, if you are not able to take out the printout, then tell your parents to write all the question on A4 size sheet, then you can write answer in it. But remember, answer should be written by students only. Number 3, you can take out the page from your register. On that page you can write answers only with correct question number. Students, you have to submit hard copy of semester exams in school. Okay, 22nd October is the date for submission. I suggest you to maintain one register only for solving all the semester exams. It will be easy for you. And one more thing to remember, it is compulsory to write name, class and section on all the pages. So I hope I am clear with all the instructions. So let's start the video of revision. Let's start our revision class with question number 1. Take the correct option. Question number 1. Place value of 9 in 495 is. So in 495, 9 is in tens place. So place value of 9 is 90. Look at here. Here is number 90. So A option is correct. Question number 2. 1 more than 580 is. 1 more, or we can say next number. So what is the next number of 580? 581. So look at here. Where is 581? Here. 581. That means B option is correct. So we will take B option. Question number 3. 1 less than 427 is. 1 less than 427, or we can say before number of 427. So tell me, what is the before number of 427? 426. So here is 426. D option is correct. Question number 4. Expanded form of 724 is. In number 724, we are having 7 hundreds, 2 tens and 4 ones. Now, we will see the options. So, look at here. In C option, we are having 7 hundreds, 2 tens and 4 ones. That means C option is correct. Question number 5. Take the biggest number. To find out the biggest number, we will compare hundreds digit, because these numbers are 3-digit numbers. Okay. So, here is 1 in hundreds place, here is 3, here is 2 and here is 1. If we compare hundreds digit, we can see that here 3 is the biggest. Okay. So, that means 318 is the biggest number here. So that means B is correct answer. Question number 6. Take the even number. We have already learned about even numbers and we know that all even numbers have 2, 4, 6, 8 and 0 in ones place. So here is 1 in ones place. So this is not the even number. Here is 5 in ones place. So this is also not the even number. Here is 4 in ones place. So that means 794 is the even number. So C option is correct. These numbers are odd numbers because all odd numbers have 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9 in ones place. Okay, so here is 1, here is 5 and here is 3 in ones place. So that means these are odd numbers, and here is 4 in ones place. So that means 794 is even number. Question number 7. Fill in the blanks. A part. All faces of dash are square in shape. Two options are given here, cube and cone. Look at here, this is cube and these are the faces of cube. And we can see that all the faces are square in shape. Okay, so that means cube is the correct answer. All faces of cube are square in shape. B part. Half is written as dash. Two options are available here, 1/2 and 1/4. In half, we talk about one part out of two equal parts. Okay, because we divide the object into two equal parts. So that means half is written as 1/2. One part out of two equal parts. This is 1/4. Because in 1/4, we talk about one part out of four equal parts. Because in 1/4, we divide the object into four equal parts. Okay. C part. Ball has dash surface. Options are curved or flat. Here is ball in my hand and we can see that ball is having curved surface. Okay, this is curved surface. So ball has curved surface. So curved is the correct answer. D part. Book is a dash object, rolling or sliding. Those objects are having flat surfaces, they are sliding objects. And those objects are having curved surfaces, they are rolling object. Book is having flat surface, so that means book is a sliding object. Sliding is the answer. E part. Cylinder has dash edges. Options are 3 and 2. Look at here. Here is cylinder in my hand and we know that edge is the line between two faces. These are the faces of cylinder and this is the edge. So in cylinder we are having two edges, 1 and 2. So cylinder has two edges. F part. Cuboid has dash faces, 6 or 8. Here is cuboid in my hand. Let's count faces of cuboid. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6. So cuboid has 6 faces. So dear students, that's all about revision of these chapters. I hope you all understood well. Please do revision of your book exercises. It will be helpful in your semester exams. Okay? So see you in next class of revision. Till then, take care. Bye-bye. Best of luck.